Is that you, Kakashi? Now that we're both here, will you tell me your tale?
Yeah, but it's a long story, so I want to take my time.
Yeah, that's fine.
Where to begin? But you know, Father, now I realize that you did what you thought was right. You knew what the consequences would be, yet you chose your friends' lives over the code. And I'm proud of you for it. What's this?
Well, my guess is it was just too soon for you to come here. You must have unfinished business waiting for you back home.
Father.
I'm grateful we had time to talk.